Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet. First, gather 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you desire, like cheese or herbs. Make sure you have a non-stick pan, a whisk, and a spatula. A small bowl for whisking is also very helpful. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Crack your 2 eggs into a small bowl and whisk them vigorously until they are a uniform light yellow and slightly frothy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the butter is sizzling gently, pour the whisked eggs into the pan, allowing them to spread out and cover the bottom evenly. This is where your omelet truly takes shape. As the edges of the eggs begin to set and the top is still a little moist, sprinkle your favorite fillings, like shredded cheese or chopped vegetables, onto 1/2 of the omelet. Then, using your spatula, carefully slide it under the unfilled half. Gently fold that half over the fillings, creating a beautiful, classic omelet crescent. Almost done. Let your folded omelet cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just long enough to warm the fillings through without overcooking the eggs. Then, with a gentle hand, slide your perfectly cooked omelet from the pan directly onto a warm plate. A sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley can add a lovely touch. Serve it immediately and savor your delicious, homemade 2-egg omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.